Okay, so for this question, we want to find the exact value for tan parentheses cosine inverse 1/2 and sine inverse parentheses sine 5 pi over 4. And to do so, we'll have to do solving by parts. So this is going to be our first part where we solve cosine inverse 1/2. And so we have cosine parentheses x equals 1/2. So what value of cosine inverse x between 0 and pi would we get 1/2? And the answer is x would have to be pi over 3. Now we simply write tan pi over 3, which is simply going to be the square root of 3. So this is our first answer. We do almost the exact same thing for this question, but instead we have sine 5 pi over 4, not inverse, just plain sine. And so that in itself would be, this right here in itself would be, x would equal negative square root of 2 divided by 2. So now we write sine inverse negative square root of 2 divided by 2. And so this here we would write sine x equals negative square root divided by 2. So what value of x, which is between negative pi over 2 to pi over 2, would we get negative square root of 2 divided by 2? And that will simply be negative pi over 4. And that's all we need to do.